stop, we need to listen, we need to learn, we need to lead. And our goal is now to lead women and all those around her into a new future, one with that better and healthier every day.
And listen to learn, right? You don't assume that you know what women need or what they think or what they want, right? And you mentioned endometriosis, and just for an example, I believe the number is roughly 1 in 10 women suffer from endometriosis. So it's really important to amplify those voices.
Some women are often overlooked. Seeing an organization actively acknowledges that these gaps felt validating. It reminded me how powerful it is when women's health is treated not as an afterthought, but as a priority. Wendy points out that there's real momentum building, especially among small to mid-sized companies with over 100 therapies currently in development. She also speaks openly about the challenges women face in male-dominated industries. From being unheard to being passed over, her approach is staying relentlessly positive, advocating for her ideas, and making space for other women's voices. She emphasizes how important female role models are in building confidence and momentum. Wendy also explains that innovation in women's health looks different.
What is your definition of scientific innovation?
I see such hope in what we're going to focus on in terms of being such a highly focused company with a clear goal for R&D to create that better and healthier every day for every woman, which is our vision. And so one of the things I just want to say about that is that innovation, I've thought a lot about this, is that innovation, when people think about that today in the life sciences industry, they think about these incredible innovations we've had in rare disease, in cancer, in neuroscience. But when we think about it in women's health, it can be very different than innovation in these other health categories because, everyday women are really looking for everyday solutions, and everyday innovation can be encapsulated in that and applied to these health issues. For instance, innovation for a woman who is dealing with period pain where nothing has worked, this could make all the difference in the world. Like small innovations can go a long way. And the innovations that we're pursuing could be emerging science, it could be a device, it could be a diagnostic, it could be a therapeutic. We're completely agnostic around this. We're really just trying to find those long-term solutions to her real health problems.
What I get excited about Here for Her Health is that we are all patients at every single stage in our career, in our patient journey, in our life journey, whether you're a woman, whether you're a man, right? You can be a patient, you can be a caregiver. So I think it's very important to really showcase the importance of the heart, right? It's all of us here, and we're here for our health.
Each of us can take on a little bit of a role of an advocate for other women and share those facts that are just so outrageous. We can make a difference if we can come up with those solutions and share those solutions. So, it's in all of us.